Hello guys. Hello guys. Welcome back to day 17 and yesterday I talk about the book Mossad and actually I started reading that book and book as per my knowledge book should be very interesting and I just finished the introduction part where the writer talk about the where the writer talk about where the writer एक बार फिर से बोलता हूँ where the writer talk about the introduction like how they write the book. So I'm on the introduction part and it has couple of chapter wise, so it book has a couple of chapter. Sorry, I forget the number, but yeah, I will try to finish one chapter day or maybe half chapter per day, and I will discuss the story with you. And I want to tell you guys one more thing. Suppose uh, I am like I do reading, I do speaking practice on this like on my blog, on my office. Sorry, on my blog at my office, and whenever I got chance, so I try to speak English. And today I want to reveal one more secret. So actually, I use CV app. I think if you are a learner, so maybe you might aware that it's a English speaking practice online app where you call someone and there are like uh, in thousand co-learners. So the phone connect with you some co-learner and you just start with your communication. So it's a great app to practice. Like we have another app called Josh Talk. So I used Josh Talk as well, but in these days I'm using CV app and it's a very fantastic app to practice. And today I had a very good practice session with the some Jaipur girl, and uh, like what I usually do, like I choose one word or one topic and we speak for 1 or 2 minutes. So that girl has also good knowledge and she gave me one word, village. So I talk about village more than 2 minutes and in a very good manner. Uh, so this is the one of my secret which I am revealing in this video. So I do practice on daily basis on that app to polish my English, where I can at least speak 15 minutes, half an hour. Actually depends on the call to call. Suppose if topic is like very interesting and we have match our tuning, like we have match our frequency, so automatically call uh, goes to uh, like around say half an hour. So yeah, it's a great app to practice. So I am suggesting you. So maybe you can use also that app. The app name is CV, or if you want, I just type the name in description. All right, guys. So that's it for today. And can you see the kalakari in my background? So this kalakari created by created by my son, like the younger son. So yeah, maybe if you have a small baby in your house, so you can correlate with these things. All right, guys. So bye bye for now. It's already 4:20 plus video now. So yeah, bye bye. Bye bye.